All right, so after you get these bolts on, you can see them. So here, there, and there. By the way, that one goes to that little hole up here. Just a heads up. Ugh. Through right there. It's in there. You can see it. You can just reach into it. See, there she is. See, a small extender and a 16 millimeter. And then you get to put this plate back on. So this plate, this bad boy goes right here. Like that. There we go. That keeps that all nice and tidy. And then it came with 3 screws that already have the red stuff on it, so they won't come out. Or at least one can hope, right? So yeah, put this back together. I moved my jacks back to the side so they're good. They're holding up the car now that the engine's solidly in there. Very nice, very well mounted.